Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make shiitake no nimono, simmered shiitake mushrooms. Salty sweet flavor goes great with white rice. You can simply enjoy it with white rice, but it is a typical topping for Chirashizushi, Somen Noodles, and many other dishes. I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Remove the stem then slice. You can keep the stems to make kimpira. The link to the recipe is in the description box. Put in a pot and add the seasonings. Simmer until the seasonings are blended. Foam comes out from shiitake mushroom is umami. You can remove some if there is too much. Serve in a dish and now it's done. You can eat it right away or you can keep it in the fridge overnight until shiitake soaks the seasonings very well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
いただきます。これだけで食べるものじゃないけど味を見たいと思います。昨日煮たものです。一晩冷蔵庫に置いた方がすぐに使うよりすごく味が馴染んで美味しいです。もし椎茸の煮物が必要な時は前日に作ることをおすすめします。美味しい。すごく美味しいです。